Wall paneling, a quick and simple installation guide. Fitted using a basic range of tools. Measure the wall and cut the trims to the required length using a Stanley knife or saw. Two-part trims can be separated at this point. Trims can be fixed to the wall with adhesive or 4mm countersunk screws. If you are using a two-part trim, separate the top face for use later. Measure and mark the first wall panel. If the last panel on your wall ends at a corner, cut the first one to width, resulting in a full panel at the finished end. Remove the tongue to ensure the panel fits fully into the trim. Apply adhesive or silicone as shown. Fit the panel fully into the trim and press it to the wall to ensure good adhesion. If installing above a bath or a shower, add a bead of silicone to the rear of the tongue before fitting into the groove. Frequently check with a spirit level. Repeat this process, ensuring the pattern aligns on the panel. Repeat this process on all the other walls to complete any open ends. Apply an end cap and push firmly home. PVC skirtings can be fixed directly to the wall paneling with adhesive. For further information, please visit our website, shower-panels.net.